my favorite melody.
Perfect.
Mm, go.
It's beautiful. It's one of those days where you work all day and it's like beautiful. It was sunny. It's like 25 degrees. And I just got off work like 10 minutes ago and look at this. Oh, shite weather. Just shite. It's going to be a big storm. Hopefully there's lightning though. Usually when it's warm like this, there's lightning. This will be something exciting. My goodness. Ugh. Oh, looks like I'm staying home. Cheers. That's the liquor store, the Sakiya-san. Pretty cool. There's a ramen shop, the yellow. Oh, beautiful night for a walk. Nothing happened today. Work, walk, walk, work, work, walk, walk, work, work, walk, walk, work. So now, go home. Maybe tomorrow I go to Osaka. Yeah, maybe. If I can get a ticket. $25. Suckers. Suckers. Alright, cheers. We're gonna go to the grocery store, see what I can mow on. Oh, mow.